Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Some record-breaking cold this winter has left many households feeling pretty dry. How to make the air healthier? Dreo is out with a line of smart humidifiers that are app-controlled, use what the company calls mist wave technology, and really can make a big difference in your comfort. You can select between cool or warm mist, and the app lets you pinpoint the precise temperature you want. Dreo is also making use of demineralization cartridges to prevent scale and white powder. While it does add to the cost, they aren't exorbitant, with a 3-pack selling for about $20 and each able to filter about 40 gallons of water. The humidifiers are smartly designed, are quiet, important for bedrooms, and competitively priced to be affordable. Find more at dreo.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.